Hi, and welcome back to Robin School of Traders. We are in the series of Ichimoku. So this is series number 2 in Ichimoku, wherein I will show you that we have been trading with this Ichimoku with two famous indicators, MACD and RSI, and it works fantastically, rather fantabulous in terms of intraday also. So let's get started and welcome back to Robin School of Traders, and wherein I say we can earn minimum 3,000 rupees on daily basis with a minimum capital of 60K. So let's get started. So today what we did, as we committed, we'll build up a series of Ichimoku plus other indicators. So we have taken these two lines of Ichimoku. One is Tenkan Sen line or the conversion line, and the second is Kijun Sen line or the base line. So how does they work? If you want to get detail on of this indicator, please go to my previous video. This line is works very fast. It takes the average highs of 9 period, and it takes the 9 period lows and divides by 2. So you can say this line works very fast compared to the baseline. So whenever you see a crossover of this line with a slow line, what is a slow line? This slow line is termed as Kijun-sen line or the baseline. It uses the same formula. It takes the high of 26th candle and the low of the 26th bar, and does the average. So when you're taking this high and low, so you're literally diminishing the noises, and you divide it by 2. So these two crossover are nothing but Tenkan-sen crossover or Kijun-sen crossover, or in English terminology, it's conversion line and the baseline. Now what we did, MACD gave a good signal over here. Intraday we are talking, right? So yesterday we got a very strong bar, these two line getting converging and followed by MACD. So we got a fantastic move over here. MACD is nothing but moving average converging and divergent. It works on EMA. So what is that? It takes the fast moving averages and it subtract it but by the slow moving averages, which is 26, and the number which you get. For example, you're getting this number is, for example, argument check nth. You take the nth ninth bar of this number, and you sum it. This is nothing but your MACD. This is nothing but your MACD. So you take this. So this is the MACD. So it works on MACD. It works on EMA. It is very fast, and it works very strongly when a reverse of the trend. This is the best indicator to be adopted when this is the reverse of the trend. Okay, so we got a good signal over here. We could see this two line conversion plus followed by the cloud. So cloud was giving conversion, then the trend was down. So there's no point. So you can be more strong, you can increase the number of lot size. The number one crossover. So we get a signal from over here and MACD over here. So over here, there's a small retracement, and we knew that something is going to happen. It's going to touch this. So one could have bought this till over here. And when there's a crossover of this line, when there's a rule number 2, which says if there's a crossover of a bar of the cloud, then it's supposed to be very strong. So it went after sideways. So what I'm trying to say you guys, in sideways market also, in this long span, you can easily one can pull out money. You if you see this indicator in MACD, you see lots of whipsaw. So you'll have a stop loss triggered. So but with this indicator, it was very stagnant and stable from here to here. So there's a 1 point. So in whipsaw market or choppy range of market, it gives a strong trending cycle. This was a bank nifty. Nifty was a very strong trend today. So as usual, we see there's a conversion line in this line, and from here, what a movement. And as the gaps increases, the trend increases. And number one, and you could see the support resistance. So these are the support from here, where the Nifty would have been tested. So what I'm trying to show you guys, we can work with Ichimoku cloud with these two lines. So only one indicator followed by MACD. You could see a fantastic rally would have worked. See this rally? Generally, you say the theory says one should not trade in the cloud, but yes, this will act as a support or resistance. So this is a confirmation. When you're confirmed with this cloud, your next confirmation that candles are within the cloud and within these two lines, rather within the clouds within your baseline or the Kijun-sen line. So one could have doubled us number of lot size, and here you could have made that. So this is how you can increase the way staggering way you can increase the number lot size and make money. This is the best way for intraday scalping. So this is, we have seen the example of one indicator Ichimoku cloud, then followed by your conversion line and the baseline. Now we will see if we can do something with RSI. Same thing over here. Thanks to TradingView, this RSI itself is a very strong indicator. If there's a crossover of 14 and this is nothing, red line is 9. So it's by default in your TradingView. So again over here, we got this is again Nifty. So as usual, we got a good crossover in MACD in previous slide. Now we got a good crossover in your RSI line. So it works fantastically well with RSI. So one can club with MACD and RSI and Ichimoku cloud and followed by your baseline canal. So this becomes a very strong system within itself. You don't need any more system. If you can have a knowledge of this option chain, then your probability of winning rates drastically increases. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. So if you can able to use this cloud with RSI, you can able to use cloud with MACD, that gives a winning ratio on higher end. Same with over here. Today was not a strong trend in both the indices, but Nifty was comparatively strong trend. Hence, the indicators were obviously these are all these are price lagging. This especially RSI will simply look at the speed or acceleration of the price. So hence you can see. But you see how many whipsaw you got over here. See, there's a one whipsaw. It is very harsh to trade RSI. Yes, you can say above 50 you can trade, but really it's very harsh to build on your pile up your number of lots. But with this indicator, you can easily pile up your knot, and you can see over here you get a strong conversion of the both the line, Kijun-sen line and the Tenkan-sen line. So this is what I'm trying to say. On a trending day, it works fantastically, and in choppy market, where its market is absolutely. If you see the entire day, the market was in range bound. If you look at a year, maximum. So scalping would have worked in a made more money in a smaller time frame. If you make this chart in 1 minute time frame, would have been much more signals. But if you're taking this in a longer time frame, you talk with RSI, with Ichimoku cloud, plus your and you use the benefit of Tenkan-sen line and Kijun-sen line, you can do wonder. So these are the two things which I wanted to show. Ichimoku cloud plus 2 lines plus MACD and RSI. It's a fantastic inbuilt indicator. If you're able to put this in your mobile, I think this data will hit enough for you. So while working in the market or working in the job, in meeting also, in conference hall also, boring conference hall, if you're not enjoying, a very boring meeting where you can't skip, you have to abide by what boss is saying. You can carry your mobile in a silent mode, and while attending this, you can trade. So this is a very sales pro indicator. Ichimoku cloud, its benefit of conversion line plus baseline, and you can club whichever indicator like MACD and others. So this is my disclaimer, and this is what I say. We give minimum return of 3,000 rupees on daily basis on a capital of 60K. Do call me if you need my services. And if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.